He offers me protection, a lot of love and affection. Whether I'm right or wrong,
whether I'm right or wrong,
and down the water,
fall,
wherever it may
take me,
I know that life won't
break me.
when I come to.
Don't know the
Cool?
next bit. Cool.
Let's just do the unboxing, shall we?
Hi guys, welcome back.
Hey everybody, hope you're doing well and excited for tonight's auction.
I'm so excited.
Minutes to go, Kaylee.
I hope everyone gets the watch they want at a great price.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just hoping it all goes smoothly.
Okay, let's.
I'm currently
Positive thoughts.
sitting at the back, making sure everything runs smoothly while you're out the front. But yeah, exciting stuff, right?
It is, and it's really I love that we can do this for our viewers and customers. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just bring everyone together to fight.
Now I know we're not allowed to bid on the watches.
Unfortunately.
But if we were, is there one in there that you would be buying?
There is.
What have you got your eye on?
I've got my own too.
Have you? I've got my own too.
Wait, okay, I'll do mine
Go on
first
then.
and you. The Daytona Mother of Pearl
Okay, not mine.
and the Day 36 chocolate.
Interesting. Neither of mine are Rolexes.
Okay, I bet yours is. Can I guess?
Yep.
Panerai?
No.
Okay. Tudor.
Yes.
And
Tudor.
but the bronze and the GMT.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I haven't asked the governor if I'm allowed to, but I would bid on both of those because I think I've always liked both of them, and I think if there's an opportunity for a bargain, and if it goes low enough, I might have to do a live bid in the room. Keep your fingers on those buttons. What have you got for me today, Kaylee?
Okay, so this isn't in the auction, but this is, Gav, we love a day date here, don't we, me and you?
We do love a day date. We
But
love a
what
big
day
green Rolex box. What's in the box?
Meow.
Ooh. Kaylee.
Yeah. So this is the Day Date 40 yellow gold black diamond baguette dial. I mean, black and gold together, perfecto.
Wasn't that a song, Black and Gold?
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
That's it, I was close. Oh, I love this. This is an absolute corker, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Hold that for a sec, show it to the camera.
So guys, the black with the yellow gold, I mean, it's the fluted bezel on the day dates for me, Gav.
I know, it's absolutely stunning.
Honestly.
Ian, I'm taking off the beautiful watch you bought me. Thank you very much.
Are you trying this on?
That's my daily wear today. Yeah, I'm going to have a little try because I absolutely love, I've decided I definitely love precious metals.
Do you?
I'm more of a rose gold, but yellow gold for me, absolutely. Because I just think I have the skin tone that does it.
Oh, Gav, that looks phenomenal on you.
And look, with the black jumper.
Oh God, it's meant to be everyone. I love it.
What's the model reference of this one?
This is a 228238 and this is brand new.
2022.
Box and papers, 2022. I mean...
That is absolute, and you bought this in?
Yeah.
Wow, stunner. Absolutely gorgeous. Guys, I don't know what you think about that. Do leave something in the comments.
And I know that they do the black with just battens, but I mean, who doesn't love a bit of diamond, Gav? Who doesn't?
Well, that is everything, actually.
Isn't it?
I think out of all the watches I've tried on recently, that is my absolute favourite.
Well, it's in stock.
Drop the bombshell.
52.
Oh,
Okay.
52. Oh, actually 52.
I know it's a lot, but for yellow gold, diamond dial, day date 40, full set 2022.
Can't go wrong.
On for a winner.
Can't go wrong. I mean, what would I rather have? 2 Batmans or this?
That.
Yeah, which probably maths aren't quite right, but that's
it's fun, we'll go with that.
absolutely beautiful. Look at that. The presidential, you're right, with the fluted bezel is an absolute corker.
Really is.
It really is absolutely
And I
stunning.
do think, I know I've said this a lot in this video, black and gold together is a great combination.
It's not a deep black.
No,
It's more like a brownie black, isn't it, really?
It's not, exactly. It's not deep black,
Yeah.
but it's still unreal.
And that's a 2022. Wow, that is literally brand new.
Yeah.
I'm going to let you take that, Kaylee. Kaylee, how can people find you if they want to buy this little watch?
Instagram,
Tick-tocky top.
YouTube,
Telephone.
email.
You know where to call. The watch is waiting for you. See you next time.
Bye.